was a philosopher going on about something on a news program. And then they had the news. Somebody said, well, how can you be optimistic with news like this? And he said, well, that's television. Bad news sells. I mean, that's what they want, bad news. And this guy said, well, what's the good news then? And he said, well, the arrival of spring. and the person told me this because he said, well, yes, it is good news, but nobody notices it. I mean, or few people. But at one time, everybody would notice it, wouldn't they? Everybody.